Stocks has been trending upwards for the last 2 months now, resulting that I've not bought a single stock since June. However, today is finally the day. I'm adding 2 new positions to my dividend growth portfolio. These purchases actually got my dividend growth portfolio to the 5-digit mark. My portfolio is now worth $10,590, with an unrealized gain of almost $1,600. My annual dividend income is up to $270, which is still 15% off of my goal of $320 by the end of 2022. First of all, welcome aboard. Thank you for tuning in with me to achieve the ultimate goal, financial freedom. I found my calling to accomplish this certain goal through dividend growth investing. On this channel I talk strictly about finance and investing. I'm open and clear about my portfolio and the decisions I've made so far. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first stock I bought is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Microsoft has been on my watch list for a while and I really wanted them to be part of my portfolio. I bought Microsoft at $292.74, which is actually higher than I initially wanted to pay, but I was tired of waiting and this gives me the opportunity to enjoy the ride or dollar cost average into my portfolio. Microsoft, as we all know, is an American multinational technology corporation which produces computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Microsoft is also playing a big role in cloud services with Microsoft Azure. Microsoft currently has a market cap of $2.18 trillion and a forward PE of 28.65, with a 0.83% dividend yield. The dividend stats of Microsoft are looking really sweet. With a 0.85 dividend yield, they pay out 26.96% of their free cash flow as a dividend. They have also been increasing their dividend for 17 years in a row, with a 5-year growth rate of 9.71%. Microsoft, in my opinion, is a must-have in every dividend growth investor's portfolio. However, I do not think you should overpay for growth, which could significantly decrease your returns over the long term. The second stock I bought is Snap-on, ticker symbol SNA. Snap-on, just like Microsoft, has been on my watch list for a while now. I bought Snap-on at $230.66 with a time to market PE of 14.64. This gives me the opportunity to enjoy the ride or dollar cost average into my portfolio. Snap-on Incorporated is an American designer, manufacturer and marketeer for high-end tools and equipment for professional use in the transportation industry, including the automotive, heavy-duty, equipment, marine, aviation and railroad industries. The dividend stats of Snap-on are one of the best in my current portfolio. Snap-on has a dividend yield of 2.43% and a payout ratio of 34.44%. And they have been consecutively increasing their dividend for 12 years with a 5-year growth rate of a whopping 14.87%. The next stocks I'm considering to add to my portfolio are HPQ and Target. Right now my portfolio has 23 holdings and that is a little on the higher side. I am noticing that it is getting more and more difficult to manage my holdings. I would say that a portfolio of 20 stocks is the sweet spot and I still have to figure out what my future plans are concerning the amount of holdings in my portfolio. Please let me know in the comment section down below what your recent purchases are in the last 2 weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my other video where I explain how I pick my dividend growth stocks. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.